Hey guys, I got my 1952 Ferguson TEA 20 here, and today we're going to plow a garden. Alright, so I finally got the plow hooked up. I'm also testing out a new DJI Osmo Action Pro 5, and I'm testing out a mini mic. I think it's called a DJI Mini Mic 2. So we'll see how this goes. I think the tractor's warmed up now. I've never plowed anything in my life. This tractor needs a head gasket badly, and I left the tire chains on from winter, so we'll see how this goes, or doesn't go. The spotted garden that we have, I don't have a lot of space to really even do this. I'm trying to make an improvement on last year, so we'll see how this actually goes. I feel like this isn't the proper way to plow, but it is moving the grass off, which is what I need. Yeah, it's working okay. I just don't have a lot of space to do this really with where I want the garden to be. What I'm doing right now, I'm making a mess of everything, but this plow is not really properly set up, and I don't really have many other choices right now, so I'm just trying to figure out how to do this, and I'm trying to go back and forth. Even if I make a bit of a mess, it doesn't really matter, because all this ground's going to have to get turned up anyways, and I don't have a way to till it or anything. And this Ferguson just has draft control. It doesn't have position control. So it's in the all the way down position, but I don't know if it's really gonna, like, it doesn't actually push down other than the weight of the implement. So we'll see. I am digging through the grass here, which is good, but I'm just trying to get it turned up. Really moving the earth on the back, which is pretty cool. And the engine's smoking a heck of a lot less than it was in the winter time. When I was plowing the driveway, it was sure a mess. But it's 10 degrees today, finally, in April in Nova Scotia. It's been really cold lately. I can't wait to get out on the motorcycle and film more videos and try out the microphone and the camera. I've even got a filter for all the sun for the camera, which should make it a little bit better. Yeah, so even if I have to do this a couple of times, I'm breaking up the ground, which is what needs to happen. And then hopefully we can have an easier time planting this year. Things seem to grow in this spot just fine. We got our garlic planted and blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're all doing really well. We'll find out about the garlic if it overwintered properly or not. But for now, that's what we got. And the plan is just to do more fruit trees and have more garden space. I picked this plow up used for 300 bucks. It's actually even a Ferguson plow, which is pretty cool. So I think what I could work on, other than that darn head gasket, is the angle that the plow is going in on. And I think that I could fix that by tightening up this and making it eat in a little bit more. Yeah, that head gasket's not very happy with me right now. That stinks. If I shorten this up, get it on a little bit more of an angle, if it would help dig in a little bit more. So I wonder if I shorten this up, get it on a little bit more of an angle, if it would help dig in a little bit more. And then I've also, I don't think that I have it angled the right way. I think it's supposed to be angled more towards this side. I just don't know how much I have on this arm to let it adjust. Yeah, I did a new ignition system on this tractor too, and it's running much better now, but that damn head gasket's something else. I'm just gonna give this one more shot here and see if that angle adjustment did anything better. Oh yeah, it's digging in much better now, so I think my top link was part of the issue. That's good to see. Yeah, I dug in nice and deep there. Maybe I'll give it a couple of more passes. also really want to metal detect this and see if there's any cool coins or anything in here. That's much better. So maybe now I can actually turn around, even though I don't have really a big enough spot as you would in a field. I'm gonna make my rows look ugly here, but whoa, dang. These old tractors have no forgiveness for hitting anything. The steering wheel just goes on you. Maybe I'll just keep backing up then, because I don't really have the space. That pallet's in the way and I hit it with my tire. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do one more row, but I'm gonna do it the other way because I'm kind of running out of space. And then that'll be the end of that. Now I get to see if this audio is worth it at all. Oh yeah, we're busting tree roots, that's good. Goodbye. My big plan is really just to keep turning the soil over. This land would have been farmed before, but it's probably been a long time. And I've got some dirt in here that's black. Most of it just looks kind of garbage and like clay. So I guess we'll see what happens, but